What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and we all love good budget tech, right? Today I have another little thing that I know you are going to love. It's the new TP-Link Tapo C120 indoor-outdoor security camera. This little camera offers many premium features to help keep your home secure, and it all comes in at under 40 bucks, which is pretty crazy. The C120 features a foldable weatherproof design, 2K QHD video quality, full-color night vision with spotlights, a magnetic base for easy installation without tools, and the best thing above all is that a monthly subscription is totally optional. When you get the Tapo C120 and open up the box, you're going to find some documentation along with mounting screws and a magnetic plate, a USB-C to USB-A power cable plus a power brick, and the camera itself. The thing that instantly took me by surprise with this camera was its size and its weight. It is a lot smaller and lighter than I expected it to be. The design sort of reminds me of the Pixar lamp. It's foldable, flexible, and easy to position any which way you want. It's a solid, well-built little camera. On it, there's a USB-C port for power and a microSD card slot. You can use a microSD card to record locally for free rather than using the Tapo Care cloud service, which is where that optional monthly fee comes in if you want it. Like all Tapo cameras, setting the C120 up is incredibly easy. Just find the spot where you want to put it, plug it in, and open the Tapo app on your smartphone. From there, follow the prompts to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network, and you're pretty much good to go. Again, if you want to avoid that monthly fee, you're going to need a microSD card to record locally too. The C120 can support up to 512 gig microSD cards, so you're going to be set for a long time if you go with one of those. When it comes to video quality, the C120 delivers excellent results. It exceeded all my expectations for such a small little camera. As I mentioned earlier when I ran down the specs, this is a 2K QHD camera, so that alone is going to make it a huge upgrade over any 720p or 1080p security camera that you may have. The video quality, I would say, is comparable to the Tapo C210 that I'm used to using indoors and the outdoor Tapo Magcam that I just recently reviewed. The only difference that I can tell with the Magcam is that the field of view on the C120 isn't as wide. Still, the footage here is crisp and clear with vibrant colors. No matter if it's day or night, light or dark, you're going to be able to keep an eye on what matters most. Again, I sound like a broken record saying this, but for 40 bucks, this camera is tough to beat. A good use of it would be to monitor your pets at home, to use it as a baby cam, or just keeping an eye on your home inside or out of it. And the last thing that I want to talk about in this review is the companion app. If you watched any of my reviews on Tapo Gear before, you heard me mention how much I love this app. I am very deep in the Tapo ecosystem with cameras and smart home accessories, so I use this app literally all the time. For the C120, the features are more or less the same as the cameras that I'm used to. Here you can watch a live preview, review your footage back, talk with the two-way audio, use the built-in spotlight, set an alarm, and of course, like I showed you guys before, you can set the camera up as well. Everything here is easy to find and ready when you need it. The app only just adds to making this camera even more of a steal of a deal. To start wrapping this up, you get a lot of bang for your buck with the Tapo C120. It's a versatile little security camera that's great for monitoring inside or outside of your home. For only 40 bucks, it is very tough to beat. I especially love the fact that a monthly subscription isn't a requirement, and the fact that that magnetic base allows this camera to easily be mounted anywhere. It's only limited by its power cable, which luckily is pretty long. If you stuck around till the end of this video, I'm about to make the deal on this camera even sweeter. If you're interested in this little security camera for your home, TP-Link provided me with an exclusive discount code just for you guys watching this video, so this already budget-friendly little camera just got even more worth it. Be sure to click the link in the description box down below to learn more about it and claim that exclusive savings for yourself. So that's about all I got, my friends. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, you know the drill. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It greatly helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow Raymond Strazdas on X, Instagram, and TikTok for so much more. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!